see what we. Oh my! There's a little one. Check this sucker out. Boy, look at that, huh? That's what I'm talking about.
That's crazy.
Look at that. That is a great sweet potato. I just snapped this one.
Oh,
That's okay.
oh my. Wow.
Holy moly.
That is crazy.
I wasn't expecting this. I was expecting
Tiny
just
little
a
thing.
few. But this is better. Look at this. Huh? Bam! Look at this. It's a good thing I didn't keep letting this thing grow, man.
Yeah.
These would have been, I don't know. Look at, it's a purple potato from my potato harvest. These are from the yesterday we did a potato harvest. Okay.
They're really long.
Huh?
So they're really long.
Look at this sucker right here.
Jeez.
Doodle-doo.
You're such a dork. They look like carrots almost. They look more like our carrots than our carrots did.
Holy crap. Oh yeah?
Jeez, oh whiz, what the heck is that?
The king sweet potato.
Holy
This
cow.
is 100% from our soil.
That is huge. It's bigger than my hand. It's heavy too.
Come on, all of you. Huh?
Wow.
Nice. Man,
Look at all those.
this is like food for feeding America.
Long little sucker.
Next year, I don't know if we can handle them anymore. We got 2 more bags. So this is just a local orange sweet potato on 1 bag. We still have 2 more to pull.